Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you create Tesla app account. So in order to create a Tesla app account, you need to follow the steps. So basically there is not much step needed. So you have to first of all install the app from your respective app store, and on the search bar type in Tesla. So when you install Tesla, it's going to open up. So I'm going to use the browser version. So type in tesla.com on the browser. So as you are taken to this field, click the menu from the top left corner of your screen. From the top right hand side corner, and from the drop down menu, you want to click on account. So when you go to the account section, it's going to ask you to sign in or create account. If you already have an account, you could sign in, and if you don't, click on create account. So as soon as you click on the create account section, it is going to take you to the next field. Now first thing, you want to select the region that you're located in, and after which select the language and give a first name and then the last name, and make sure to mark the terms and condition and tap on the next button. And once done with that procedure, you'll have successfully created Tesla account or Tesla app account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.